Welcome to the Skilled MBA Strategy Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we spotlight how small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, navigate niche markets and scale globally through focused strategy and innovation. Today's case features Sling Aircraft, a rising force in the aviation industry known for its light sport and kit aircraft. Now poised for significant global growth, Sling is executing a sharp, innovation-led expansion plan. Key insights from this case include leveraging product innovation and engineering excellence to stand out in a specialized sector, pursuing new geographic markets through international partnerships and regulatory alignment, scaling while preserving craftsmanship, brand identity, and operational agility, applying strategic management principles to align growth, R&D, and market readiness. This case demonstrates how niche market SMEs can build global relevance through focused expansion and continuous innovation. Strategic management in niche industries involves analyzing options for global small and medium-sized enterprises in specialized markets. Financial decision-making requires evaluating operational approaches and investment strategies. Understanding competitive advantage is crucial for predicting how strategic choices impact long-term market success. This case study integrates strategic management, managerial finance, global operations strategy, and innovation and product development. Sling Aircraft, founded by Mike Blyth with James and Andrew Pittman, excels in the light aircraft manufacturing industry. Known for quality engineering and innovative design, Sling has built a global reputation despite its South African base. Strategic partnerships have enabled its worldwide reach, setting a benchmark in a highly regulated market. In 2021, Sling Aircraft thrived, achieving strong global sales as competitors faltered. They completed a prototype for a four-seater aircraft, marking a significant expansion. Additionally, they began ideation for a groundbreaking five-seater model, presenting a major market opportunity. The critical question remains: how to expand operations and manage risks without compromising their 15-year legacy. Sling's founders grapple with balancing growth and preserving their core values. As they scale, they must maintain their entrepreneurial spirit and quality focus. The challenge lies in expanding within a capital-intensive industry without compromising the principles that established their reputation. How can they grow while staying true to their roots? Evaluating strategic options involves critical decisions. Should we build new manufacturing facilities in South Africa or near key markets? Consider global expansion through direct operations or distributor partnerships. Capital strategy choices include equity, debt, or alliances. Product development options are launching a five-seater or enhancing the four-seater. Each path carries distinct risks and rewards. Balancing immediate capital needs with projected return on investment timelines is crucial. Each investment area offers distinct strategic benefits, demanding different financial commitments. Evaluating these factors ensures optimal resource allocation, aligning short-term financial health with long-term growth objectives. Global small and medium-sized enterprises in aviation face regulatory complexity, needing to navigate certification across jurisdictions. Supply chain vulnerability is another challenge, with limited leverage in global sourcing. Talent acquisition is crucial, especially attracting specialized aviation engineers to South Africa. Success hinges on balancing strategic agility with robust risk governance in this highly regulated industry. Capital structure choices are crucial for small and medium-sized enterprises. Self-funding ensures control but can slow growth. Debt financing maintains ownership but adds obligations. Strategic partnerships offer expertise but may limit strategic freedom. Equity investment provides capital but dilutes control. balancing growth with risk management and preserving entrepreneurial culture is essential for sustainable success. Founders prioritize maintaining product quality, preserving company culture, and retaining decision-making autonomy to build a lasting aviation legacy. Investors focus on achieving market-beating return on investment, scalable growth, and entering larger aircraft segments while mitigating risks. Customers demand innovation, safety, and responsive support. Employees seek job security, professional development, clear communication, and shared success benefits. Sling Aircraft's established position in the four-seater market ensures predictable revenue and efficient enhancements. The five-seater market, with less competition, offers higher margins and substantial growth potential, attracting new demographics. This strategic expansion leverages existing strengths while positioning the company for future success in the aviation industry. Utilizing SWOT analysis, we assess Sling's strengths and weaknesses against market opportunities and threats. Pestle analysis examines macro-environmental factors affecting strategic decisions in global light aircraft manufacturing. Porter's 5 Forces evaluates competitive dynamics and industry profitability across aircraft segments. These frameworks offer structured approaches to evaluate Sling's strategic options effectively. The Decision Matrix evaluates strategic options for Sling Aircraft. Enhancing the four-seater with self-funding offers low risk and short time to market but modest advantage. Launching a five-seater with equity raises involves high risk and significant advantage. Expanding production with debt finance presents moderate risk and advantage. Strategic partnerships offer moderate-high competitive advantage with moderate risk. Balancing entrepreneurial agility with structured planning is crucial for small and medium-sized enterprise growth, especially in capital-intensive sectors. The chosen financing method affects capital availability, operational control, and strategic flexibility. Product development must align with market opportunities and internal capabilities. Aligning stakeholders' needs is essential for successful strategic transitions, as demonstrated by Sling Aircraft's complex decisions in global industries. Thank you for exploring this growth strategy case with Skilled MBA. We hope Sling Aircraft's journey offered you strategic insights into how small firms can think big, innovate smartly, and compete globally. For more real-world case studies on business growth, innovation, and global strategy, connect with us. Mobile +91 875 5300795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://skilledmba.com.